How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video on a ring light that I got from Amazon, and it's by a company called HQOON, HQOON. And I'm one that suffers a lot with my lighting situation when I'm doing videos. Right now I am using, a couple of lamps for this video right now that you're seeing. Main light up top is turned off, but I always suffer with lighting on my videos, so I decided to try some sort of a ring light to try to make my videos look a little bit better. So I decided, what the hell, why not try a ring light? This is a LED 10-inch ring light. It also comes with like a little tripod stand, not a big tripod, just a little 10-inch stand. And I got this off of Amazon for $18. I believe it's $18.88 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $18.88 on Amazon. So it came out to about 20 bucks. So really nice, by a company called HQOON. 10.2-inch ring light with a stand holder, and also comes with a phone holder and a little USB with remote controls on it. So we're gonna do an unboxing and see if it makes a difference with my videos. Like I said, right now I'm using two lights over here, one little desk lamp with an LED bulb and a strip light over here with an LED light strip on there to try to get nice lighting on my videos. So we're gonna see if this makes a difference and see if this ring light is worth anything. So let's go ahead and jump down into it with our unboxing of ring light, 10-inch ring light by HQOON. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. All right, so here we go. We're gonna unbox this, see what comes in the box, see if it's worth it, and then I'm gonna come back at you with the ring light on and testing out, see if there's any bit of a difference with one of these lights off, and see if this really does make a difference in your videos. So if you're struggling with bad or poor lighting in your videos, you might want to try one of these out. We're going to see if it works. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see what comes in the box. Like I said, $20 off of Amazon. Very inexpensive. You get your instruction manuals, which is, there you go. You got an English side right here. So go ahead and pause that if you want to read some of this stuff. But I don't read instructions. I do everything on my own. So here is the light. It is plastic, and you do have your mount at the bottom right there, and then your phone mount right there as well. And here is the tripod that it comes with. So a very typical tripod. See if this works out the way I want it to, but I'm thinking about mounting this onto my phone holder rig that I got set up. And here is the cable that comes with it. You can plug this into any USB, a TV, laptop. I'm going to be using a charging brick that I have laying around by Samsung and use this as the power source. Here is a swivel base for the tripod, and this goes into here like so. And like I said, I'm going to be mounting this onto my phone holder that I've got. And here is the phone holder that it comes with. So nice plasticky sound for you guys. So here's the phone holder it comes with. It does have a ball on there, and you can adjust this. So it's got a little spring load to where it'll adjust for pretty much any size phone. I've got a OnePlus right here, and it does fit a OnePlus 8T, as you can see. So really nice. And this does flex around a little bit. That way you could position it whichever way you want to. And it also does come with a little remote, so you can turn it on whenever you want. And yeah, it's pretty nice. You got an off and on switch like so, and then you could do OS camera or Android camera. So it's a little Bluetooth, a Bluetooth shutter button. That way you could push this whenever you want to start recording and things like that with your phone, I'm assuming. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. We'll get this set up and we'll get it turned on and see if there's any bit of a difference with this. Alright, so here is the light turned on, and we're gonna see if this makes any bit of a difference with video. So go ahead and put this through there and let's see how everything looks. I turned off my other light over there, so this is how it is with just one overhead light, and that is over here on the side, and then this is with the light that I just got. So let's go ahead and turn that light off, and let's see if this has any bit of an effect on there. You can change the temperature, so you could do like a soft or a warm, and then you got a clear, and then you got like a blue light on there, that's the warm, and then blue light right there. So really nice. Now we're gonna see how this looks. How does everything look on here? How does, you know, the quality of it, is this sufficient enough lighting for this, or do I need to turn on this light to create a little bit more? But this is with all the lights off in the room and just with this light on. So pretty nice, pretty impressed. This is the brightest it goes. You can dim this down a little bit to go a little bit lighter. That's how as light as it goes right there. And then you can brighten it up by clicking on the remote, and then you also have a power button. So this is how it looks without any light, with light. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out in selfie mode and see how I look with this light on, and then just, you know, this light by itself, and then put on another light just to see how this looks. So let me know how this looks, guys. Like I said, I struggle a lot with videos and lighting, so hopefully this works out well. Alright, so this is the light just by itself turned on. I have no other lights turned on in this room. There is a window right here, but there are shades on it. So this is with the light turned on, and this is with the light turned off. So pretty big difference between this light and, you know, just having it dark in here. So this is pretty nice, I must say. This really illuminates everything nicely. It has like a nice, you know, look to it. It's not too bright, it's not too anything. It looks pretty good. And this is the front facing camera of the S20 FE, just in case you're wondering. So this is a device, so low light tends to struggle a little bit with phones and devices and things like that, unless you have a camera, but I use phones to record videos. So this is with this light, full brightness, and then we're gonna go ahead and change the modes on it using the button. So this is the warmer light, sort of looks like I'm in an oven, and this is the regular clear white, and then this is the blue, I guess fluorescent looking light. So I think I like this one a lot, the regular clear, and the blue one looks pretty good as well. So this looks pretty darn good, and this remote does work to start and stop videos. You don't even have to connect it. I think it's Bluetooth. It still works on the phone. I didn't even have to connect it or anything. And the little shutter button works on this. So really cool. Really enjoy. Hopefully this light makes a difference in my videos and, you know, makes everything look better. So far I'm impressed with this ring light. 20 bucks off of Amazon. Go ahead and check it out by HQOO and HQOON or something, whatever that brand name is. But so far it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up with the phone holder. I don't have it on there. I have the tripod attached to it and just sitting on my desk. And just to give you guys an example of how this looks. So really nice. I'm impressed. Hopefully this makes a difference for my videos. Other things that you get in the box with that controller is just a little instruction manual on how to use it and things like that. It says you gotta download an app, but it's working right now out of the box, so that's really nice. And so yeah, that concludes my video of the 10-inch ring light, LED ring light from HQOO, and hopefully this works, and hopefully my videos look a little bit better from now on. Like I said, I struggle a lot with lighting, you know, wherever I'm at. Hopefully this fixes it. So that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. give me a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if you didn't, that is quite alright. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification bell for future notifications on my channel. I really appreciate it. We're getting up to almost close to 4,000 subscribers. I know that's a lot. That's not a lot to a lot of people. It's a lot to me. I am at like 3,800 or so. So still need a little bit to get up to 4,000, but still, for me, that's a lot. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. And like I said, thank you guys for watching. You guys stay safe out there, wear your mask, and stay away from people. I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully using this light. Peace.